Hi there, it's Zero Markets. Welcome to our new educational video on the basic functions of MT4. In this video, we will explore the essential components of the MT4 platform that provides traders with important information which will enhance the trader experience. The Navigator tab in MT4 simplifies the management of trading accounts, indicators, EAs, scripts, and custom components. You can view the list of trading accounts added to MT4 on the Navigator tab. By hovering over the account, it shows the account number, server, and balance for each account. You can right-click on the account to perform actions such as opening and closing the account, changing password, or viewing its properties. In the Navigator tab, you can also find a comprehensive list of indicators, expert advisors, and any custom scripts you have imported or developed. The Terminal tab provides valuable information that can assist you in making decisions and effectively manage your trades. It is generally located on the bottom of the MT4 interface. Let's have a look at some of the main sections of the Terminal tab. The Trade section displays information about your open positions. This includes entry time, symbol, position size, profit loss, and more. Easily manage your positions by right-clicking on the trade. You can also view your balance and margin details on the bottom. You can review the history of your past trades in this section. Much like the Trade section, it provides detailed information of each position. Export the account history for further analysis. The Journal section logs all the activities and events that occur within the MT4 platform. It includes information about order execution, modification, and other related events. Reviewing the journal can help troubleshoot any issues or errors that occur during your trading session. The Market Watch tab in MT4 provides a comprehensive overview of the available trading instruments. It is located on the left-hand side of the MT4 platform and displays key details about each symbol. Here is an overview of the main features and functions within Market Watch. Market Watch lists all the available symbols provided by Zero Markets. You can choose to show all symbols or create a list of symbols that you wish to trade and hide the rest. For each trading symbol, the Market Watch displays the current bid and ask prices. The prices are updated in real time. Right-click on Market Watch and enable Spread on the window. You will now be able to see the spread next to the bid and ask prices. The high and low prices and server time can be added onto the Market Watch window as well. The last tab on the MT4 interface that we are going to explore is the toolbar. It is located at the top of the platform's interface. The toolbar in MT4 is a collection of icons and buttons which provide quick access to various features and functions of the MT4 platform. Here's a brief overview of the main sections on the toolbar. The standard toolbar provides options for customizing the layout and appearance of the MT4 platform. The chart toolbar contains buttons for managing and customizing the price charts. The Line Studies toolbar provides quick access to various drawing tools for technical analysis. The Time Frame toolbar allows you to quickly switch between the time frames for the current chart. We hope you enjoyed this video. This guide only scratches the surface of what you can do with MT4. It is essential to practice and explore additional resources to become proficient in using the MT4 platform.